Welcome to the channel. So today I'll be doing a quick unboxing of the NOCO Boost Plus. This is the 1000 amp and it's the GB40 model right there, as you can see. So we'll be doing a quick unboxing and we'll look at the content here on the channel. Stay tuned for that. Alright, once again, so what I have here is the NOCO Boost UltraSafe jump starter, and it is the GB40 12 volt 1000 amp. So this, when they arrived, it came in packaged nicely with a packaging wrap, so I took that off just to make the unboxing a lot easier. And it comes with a little, if you want to hang it for some reason, the box, but let's unbox it. So we'll push it to the side, and this is how it comes, just like that. Comes just like that, and we're gonna take this out here in a minute and we're gonna go around what it has. Let's go from there. So this is made for 6-liter gasoline engine up to 3-liter diesel engine. So some of the features that this has is mistake proof, which reverse the polarity or protect you. So let's see what it comes with. Looking around real quick, there's nothing over here, nothing over here. There's 2 USB over here and then 12 volt out. So let's start here in the back first. And it says USB in, so this is where you would charge it. It's micro USB. Put that, close that flap. And this is where USB out, you would charge your phone and emergency items. And over here is where your jumping cable will plug into. And then you see 2 lights on each side right here. So let's turn those on here real quick. So they're on. As you can see, the power meter, green, yellow, and then the last 2 are red. Can't tell much in the camera. It's off. I think it has all the features. Let me see. Dimmer and emergency blinking lights. That's for the line. What's this here? Probably something to do with your 12 volt plug. And then this is when you start it and you're ready to give it power. All right, let's see what else is inside the box. And here's your jumping cables with the connection, made out of rubber. And let's see if we can take one out here. And the grip is pretty strong. Really strong for what they are. So their quality feels well made. Put that to the side. Let's see what else inside. A carrying pouch. This is what you carry and leave it in your vehicle for emergency purposes. USB cable for charging. And a vehicle 12 volt plug. And a manual that you could read if you want. So looking at it, that's what came inside the packaging. So you got your sleeve, plug, USB, your NOCO Boost Plus, and your battery cables. Alright, I hope you guys liked the unboxing. I just hope I don't end up needing this in the future, but if I do, I hope this is there to back me up. So this is a review of the NOCO Boost Plus GB40. So if you're thinking of purchasing, I'll say go ahead, purchase it, and keep it in your vehicle for emergency use. You don't know when you're gonna need something like this. Thank you, peace out.